seems to me your cranial nerve is working.
ASMR cranial nerve exam, except I've never done ASMR before, but I have done hundreds of cranial nerve exams because I'm a psychiatry resident. I'm gonna have you look straight at my nose. Look straight at my nose. Just gonna dilate your eyes. Look for your pupillary reflexes. Keep looking at my nose. I like to see how your eyes dilate in relation to one another. So do some swinging back and forth. Good. I'm gonna have you follow my finger with your eyes. I'm gonna go in an H motion. This tests 3 of your cranial nerves, the ones that control your eye movements through your eye muscles. Now I'm gonna touch your face in 3 different zones. Tell me if it feels the same on both sides. Okay, I'm gonna have you raise your eyebrows up. Good. Squeeze your eyes shut, really tight. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Relax. Give me a big smile, show me your teeth. Relax. And puff your cheeks out, like, good. Relax. Tell me if you hear this. Good. And on this side. Good. Have you stick your tongue out and say ah. Ah. Stick your tongue all the way out. Good. Now move your tongue side to side, like, good. A few more times. Good. Shrug your shoulders up against my hands, even though you can't really feel my hands. Shrug your shoulders, shrug, shrug, shrug. Don't let me push them down. Good. You can relax. Thank you for coming to this ASMR cranial nerve exam. I had fun. Hope you did.
You're here for the eyes closed cranial nerve exam. Go ahead and sanitize my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some electrodes. These electrodes will scan your brain activity, and I'm just gonna ask that you keep your eyes closed throughout the whole exam. We're just gonna test your 8th cranial nerve, covering your right ear, whispering into your left. Tadpoles are baby frogs. Tell me what you heard. Tell me if you hear my hands coming towards or away. Towards. Where do you hear that? We're gonna go ahead and test your olfactory nerve. So just cover up your left nostril and breathe through the right for me. Citrusy. Do you want to guess? Lemon. Now keep your head still, but move your eyes in the directions I ask, okay? Look to the right, to the left, to your nose, and relax. Tell me when you feel the tap. Good. Tell me if you feel soft or sharp. Soft. Good. Clench your teeth for me. Try to open your mouth. Perfect. I've got these different flavors and I want you to tell me what they taste like. Just say ah. Yeah, strawberry. Good. Now stick your tongue out as far as you can. Looks normal. Now tell me how many clicks versus how many crunches you hear. 2 clicks, 3 crunches. Let me just chart those results. Remove the electrodes. And now you can open your eyes. Thank you for participating in this study. Busy.
Alright, let's go ahead and get you started on that cranial nerve exam. Did you have any concerns today, or was this just a checkup? A general checkup, very good. We're gonna start with the taste portion then. Open your mouth and have a taste. What did it taste like? Whipped tallow balm, very good. Alright, and then do you think you could have a taste of this as well?
Hi, can you go ahead and follow this with your eyes and your eyes only? Okay, and now how about this one here? Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and shine a light in your eyes, and I'd like you to go ahead and read the 4th line from the top. Okay, now look to the light. Any irritation with that? Alright, now if you could go ahead and just stick out your tongue here. And then what did that one taste like? That one's a bit difficult. It tastes like turmeric. Just go ahead and say, ah. Okay, your teeth look as good as they could look. Now can you tell me if you could feel the difference between this one and this one here? Okay, you look good to me. See?
We're going to give you a color blindness test today. I'm first going to check your eyes with these color panels. Tell me what color each one is. Let's start. What color is this panel? Good, it's like a hot pink. Good. Now what color is this panel? Okay, like a yellow or a brown. Good. What color is this panel? Light pink. What about this panel? Blue. And what if I add this panel? Green. Very good. And what color is this last panel here? That's a red. Okay, I'm going to add a pen light now. Tell me, what color does the pen light appear to be? Let's bring that up close to your eyes. Is the pen light white or red? Very good. It's red and white at the end. Good. And is the light getting closer to you or farther away? Closer. And what about now? Closer or farther away? Farther away. Okay. Quick question. What color is the wall with this red light panel? Red. And what color are my gloves with the red panel? Red. Can you tell that they're a different color? Okay. Now, a quick question without the red panel. What color is the wall behind me? Like a white or a cream? What color are my gloves? A blue. Okay, good. What color is my shirt? Also a blue. Are my gloves and my shirt the same color, or are they different? They're different. Okay. And last question here. I'm going to show you 2 colors. We have 2 greens. Which one is a brighter green? Is this pen a brighter green? Or is that pen a brighter green? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Do you think that one is? Good. And the last comparison here. Here are 2 pens. These are both orange or red. Now I want you to know which one is brighter. Take a guess in 3, 2, 1. Is it this pen or that pen? Which pen is the brighter orange? Take a guess in 3, 2, 1. Did you say this pen was the brighter orange? That way you'd be correct. Okay, looks like we tested you for color blindness today. Just redo this test if you ever want to double check and make sure. And I hope
ulethu umkelekele kwi-cranial nerve exam yakho ngikutotele into kuhle masiqale ngizobeka indlamu yeso ungabheki isibani kuba igala lami ngicela ukhiphe lakho kunebisa kanjani lokho njanja ngicela ukhiphe lakho kunebisa kanjani lokho cinnamon ngizohlala amaphaphu akho donsa moya khipha umoya donsa moya donsa moya khipha umoya donsa moya khipha umoya bukha lezi zinhlamvu
Is this clear?